In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your search history in Microsoft Outlook. Managing your search history in Outlook is an important step if you want to keep your account organized and maintain your privacy. Over time, Outlook stores previous searches to help improve suggestions and make it easier for you to find emails quickly. However, there are times when you may want to remove this history to keep things clean or reset your search experience. To begin, open your Microsoft Outlook settings. Look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen and locate the small gear icon. This icon represents your settings menu. Click on it to open the settings panel. Once the settings window appears, you will see a navigation panel on the left side. From this menu, click on General. This section contains overall configuration options for your Outlook experience. After selecting General, move to the center area of the settings window and click on Privacy and Data. This section is where Outlook manages information related to your activity, including search history and data usage. Next, scroll down within the main settings area until you find the section labeled Search History. Here, Outlook explains that it uses your previous searches to improve results and provides options for managing that data. You will see two available actions. One option allows you to delete your search history, while the other allows you to download it for your records. To remove your search history completely, click on the Delete History button. This will trigger a confirmation prompt to ensure you want to proceed. A small dialog box will appear asking you to confirm your action before anything is removed. At this point, click on Continue to confirm the deletion. Once you do this, Outlook will immediately clear your stored search history, removing previous search entries that were saved in the system. After completing this step, your search history will be reset, and Outlook will no longer show past search suggestions based on previous activity. This can help create a cleaner search experience and improve privacy, especially if multiple people use the same device or account. And that is how you successfully delete your search history in Microsoft Outlook. The process is quick, simple, and helps you maintain better control over your email data. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.